Hello my Whoop friends. This video is part of a short video series where I try to share my experiences with the Meteor 75 Pro with you, as well as all my Whoop knowledge. I'll try to show you valuable tips and tricks that should help you with the Meteor 75 Pro Whoop as well as with other tiny whoops. Check out the other videos on my channel to get the most out of my many years of Whoop race and RC flying experience. Let's get started. There are various propellers for the Meteor 75 Pro available, from the stock high-pitch Gemfan 45mm propellers, which are very quiet but bend easily, to the high to medium pitch Betafpv 45mm Aquila 16 propellers, which are very stable, up to the lightweight HQ Prop 45mm low pitch racing propellers, which give the motors superb response and prop wash handling, as well as a good controllable throttle feel. There are even two-bladed 45mm propellers available from HQ Prop. This allows you to experience different propellers with this tiny whoop, from low pitch to high pitch, from 2-blade to 3-blade. I've made a table to show you what I think of the different propellers as a race pilot. That's why I won't say much more about it. I think you can get most of it from the table. I have also made another video where I tried to pass on my propeller knowledge. You can find the link in the video description of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments. It's important for you to know that I've flown all of the propellers for an extended period of time and that I created the table from the perspective of a Whoop race pilot. My flying style is Whoop racing and outdoor freestyle racing on playgrounds. The table is based on my personal experience with the propellers, and it is intended to help you make an informed decision about which propeller is best for you. The table is intended to be a guide, nothing more. I don't want to tell anyone what they have to buy or that they have to agree with me. It's simply my experience. You can use my experience or not. And to be honest, a set of propellers is so cheap that it shouldn't be a problem for most people to buy a few sets of each propeller to test them out for themselves. I recommend that anyway, because you can always learn something during testing. The important thing is not to jump too fast to conclusions. It's important to give your brain enough time to get used to something new. When testing propellers, you should fly at least 50 to 100 lipos with one type of propeller before switching to the next prop. And then write down what you have learned. That's the fastest way to learn. I hope I was able to show you with this video what propeller options are available for the Meteor 75 Pro and what the differences are. I wish you nice test flights. Feel free to write back about your experiences with 45mm propellers in the comments of this video. I value your feedback. In the coming months, there will be a few more videos about the Meteor 75 Pro. How you can modify it, how you can repair it, and so on. Stay tuned, my friends. And subscribe to the channel and set the notifications to on so you don't miss a single video. And last but not least, you can already find many videos of the Meteor 75 Pro on this channel in which I try to help you with this tiny whoop. Lots of tutorials, tuning tips, flight tips and repair videos. And there will be even more in the future if I am motivated enough by you, my friends. Stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel and activate the notification if you want to know when I publish a new video. And if you decide to buy a new Meteor 75 Pro or another whoop from Betafpv, please use the affiliate link in the video description. This motivates me to publish more high quality videos. A like or a comment from you also helps motivate me to produce new videos with educational content. In other words, you will probably have the most videos for this whoop and the best support in the future if all goes well. I can't promise anything, but I'll do my best. The chances are good. Happy flying, my Whoop friends!